I keep getting asked, what's happening with the hotels in Naga, Chris? Is there any closed? So I thought I'd have a look the other day, and unfortunately there is some closing down. Checkpoint over there, guys. There's usually police there, but none today. What I'm going to do is visit a few hotels, see if they're open or closed, and it'll give you an idea if you can come to Naga, the ones you can book. So see you in a moment. So the first casualty is the Hotel. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. Because basically the Hotel's part of Naga, always has been for a very long time, but it's no more. So if you come to Naga, you can't book at the Hotel anymore, and it was a nice hotel, pretty reasonable prices as well. But the pandemic has killed it. So let's go on to the next one. Bear in mind, guys, the hotels I'm going to show you, they're all in Naga. And I've took a wrong turn here. Now we have the Sampaguita, very popular in Naga, always has been. That's very much open, guys. So let's go on to the next one. It's very, very reasonable as well, Sampaguita. So, you know, always give that a look online if you manage to get to Naga. So we're at my favourite hotel. I think this place does pretty well because it does a lot of weddings and different stuff. There seems to be always a wedding going off here. So these are all in Naga, near Centro, guys. The Murrayville Hotel, beautiful hotel. Mind you, the door's blocked. Let's have a look at the side. No, I don't know why the main door's blocked. I don't think the hotel's closed. I'll ask the guard. There's a guard here. Good morning. Is the hotel closed? It's closed. For good or just temporary? Thank you. Ah, the hotel's closed. So there you go. It's another one closed. So the Hotel is definitely closed indefinitely, because I asked the other day, because I thought it might have just shut down for refurbishment. But then who would spend money in this climate when, even, you know, if the hotel's beautiful, you're not going to get any guests. So there you see our beautiful plaza, still closed down, the heart of Centro. It's sad, very sad. So the Grand Alcove Hotel is open, and this is one of the cheapest hotels in Naga. So if you're just looking for something budget, and the rooms are clean, it's not a you know what, and it's fully open because I went in and checked the other day, so it is open. So there's two more hotels I want to show you, and then we'll call it a day at that, because I can tell you with 99.9% confidence there's no more closed after the ones I show you today. So let's go and have another look. So this is the Regent Hotel. It's still open. Let's have a look at the outside so you can see. I'm really upset about the Hotel. It has been in Naga for many years. It's really sad, really sad. So last but by no means least, and of course I haven't covered every hotel in Naga, but the majority I have covered. Unfortunately the Star View is closed down as well. That is not open, which is a shame. But there you go. There's none of these places you can sit. They don't want people congregating. It's very sad, very sad. It's really strange times, guys. So anyway, YouTube keeps desubscribing people and undoing the notification bells. So I've started a second channel. Well, it's my channel, it's just a backup channel, and it's on Odyssey. The link is in the description, guys. I've asked this before, but nobody's bothering to go across. If you subscribe to Odyssey, you'll always get the video link sent to your email. So it doesn't matter if YouTube takes away the notification bell, you'll still get a notification. So if you go across there, I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to the other channel, because I mean, we don't know what's happening with YouTube and other platforms. The way things are going, I might just end up on Odyssey and not on YouTube. Not at the moment, not anytime soon, but you just never know. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share our videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and go over to Odyssey and subscribe to my backup channel, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. So Brit in the Philippines in Naga City Bicol. See you next time.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.